Busy means adulting. Maraming responsibilidad kaya kailangang kumayod sa buhay. From workload sa office to freelance wedding coordinator to event organizer, sa sobrang daming ganap, minsan nalilipasan at nakakaligtaan na rin natin ang matulog sa tamang oras. Kasabay na rito ang pananakit ng katawan. Ang hirap pa namang makatulog kapag may nararamdaman. Alam kong nararanasan nyo rin yan. Buti na lang na-discover ko ang Efficacent Extreme. Alam niyo ba na this rainy season, Efficacent Extreme is a natural solution for sleep problems? Proven, tested, and most trusted. Good thing about Efficacent Extreme, it is clear and non-staining oil with aromatic lavender scent and cooling sensation that gives an instant relief experience. Simula na na-discover ko ang magandang dulot ng Efficacent Extreme, masasabi ko na talaga na ito ang aking perfect sleep partner every night. Kaya naman sa lahat ng nakakaranas ng sleep problems, try Efficacent Extreme for a better and a quality sleep.
Cherry on top. I'm a sad for sorry eyes. On look in your parallel.